Hey everybody, I'm Will from Some Disassembly Required, and today we're going to talk about filling nail holes and finished trim. So first we're going to remove the curtain rod hangers using a flat-headed screwdriver. Next we're going to wipe the surface down with a paper towel to clean it up a little bit. I will be using urethane wood filler here because that's what I have on hand. You need to knead the tube and then squeeze a bit onto your putty knife. Push that into the nail holes. You can scrape up and down, left to right, just working it into the gaps that you're trying to fill. Once that's done, wipe it off with a damp paper towel, wiping away any excess, and then wipe it down again once it's dried a bit, and there's the finished product. Next, we're going to use a blend fill pencil on the other side to compare the difference. You can sharpen it a bit with your knife if you need to. To apply this, you basically scribble the pencil over the holes that you're looking to fill. You get a little piece that comes off, and that's okay. You can work that into the hole using a dry paper towel. You're buffing the surface too to get the fill to blend in with the trim. There's your finished product. That looks a lot better than the wood filler side. So I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to fill in over the top of the wood filler using the same process, getting a little bit, pushing it in and buffing it in with the dry paper towel. Sometimes a little piece comes off, you can just work that in as well. Now, as I am climbing on the counter, you can find all of the links to these products below. Thanks for watching.